I'm sweating feathers here. Are we gonna win this or what?
Relax, Parrot. I promise I am going to get you off.
Get me up! Right here in front of the judge, you wild animal! Don't touch me, Parrot! I warned you! Move that paw now! There he is! Last chance, Whiskers! You think I'm...
Honey, will you marry me?
Hello? I didn't promise my heart to Officer Miller.
Bro, he doesn't love you.
She gave me premium sunflower seed. Respect my loyalty.
All right, I can't argue with that.
Because you're so beautiful, Miller.
If he hears this, he will arrest you.
Forget him! I'm more handsome than your husband, Miller.
Move that.